Hey everyone, and welcome back. And a huge hello if you're new here. Make sure to subscribe for more smart money tips. Are you looking to boost your savings without drastically changing your lifestyle? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 simple yet powerful budget hacks that can realistically help you save $500 or more every single month. Let's dive in. Hack Hash 1. Master the art of meal planning. Think about it. How much do you spend on impulse takeaways or eating out during the week? It adds up fast. By taking just 30 minutes each week to plan your meals, create a grocery list, and stick to it, you can drastically reduce your food expenses. Cook more at home, pack your lunch, and say goodbye to those expensive last-minute cravings. Even cutting back on just a few restaurant meals a week can easily save you $100 or more per month. Hack Hash 2. Automate your savings. Out of sight, out of mind, and into your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account every payday. Even a small, consistent amount can make a big difference over time. Aim for a weekly or bi-weekly transfer that contributes towards your $500 goal. By automating it, you're prioritizing your savings and making it a non-negotiable part of your budget. Hack Hash 3. Trim the subscription fat. Take a close look at all your monthly subscriptions. Are you really using all of them? That streaming service you signed up for that one show? The fitness app you haven't opened in months? It's time to be honest with yourself. Cutting even 2 or 3 unused subscriptions can easily free up $50 or more each month. There are often free or cheaper alternatives out there too. Hack Hash 4. Become a savvy shopper. Being a smart shopper can significantly impact your budget. Before you buy anything, take a moment to compare prices online and in different stores. Look for coupons, discounts, and cashback offers. Consider buying non-perishable items in bulk when they're on sale. Small changes in your shopping habits can lead to big savings over time. Hack Hash 5. Embrace the power of tracking. You can't manage what you don't measure. Start tracking your income and expenses diligently. There are tons of free budgeting apps and spreadsheets available. Understanding where your money is going is the first step to identifying areas where you can cut back and save more effectively. This will give you a clear picture of your progress towards that $500 monthly savings goal. So there you have it, 5 simple budget hacks that can put you on the path to saving $500 every month. Remember, consistency is key. Start implementing these tips gradually, and you'll be surprised at how quickly your savings can grow. Which of these hacks are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.